It's your boy, Famous Animal TV. Plug to the streets, man. When you trying to get your shit in the streets, need you to come holler at me, who I got in the building with me.
We got good violence shooting this motherfucker come from Babyville, Mississippi, man. They know who it is.
From Mississippi?
You gotta know that,
Oh, you got some hot shit, Bobby?
Man, well, this shit don't stop either, man.
Real talk. Let me hear that shit, nigga. Let's go. Hottest shit in the street.
Huh? So my nigga scrap, about to show him in my time.
Yeah.
My niggas strap up and let go, it ain't no looking back, by to show them it's my time. If that's how you living, you gon' have to show me, cause you know I'm dying about mine. Yeah. When John Doe was sending hits, nigga, I'm the one was on the front line. Now we have emotion, ain't no hokey pokey. Big homie told me that I gotta stay focused. I was sleeping in my car down bad, now I'm sleeping on the sofa, bitch. Never Naida gets mad, bitch. Key to my CD a Glock, bitch. I run them numbers up like I'm a mathematics teacher. If you hate, you gotta do that from the bleachers. I was fucking Keisha and pimping her friends out. They were then, lil' mama got kids now. I was up in that dice game, making slow. Nigga played me, so I took it. And they say I'm working like I'm in the pros, and I'm working hard like a rookie. But I'm still moving like a thread. Cause that's the car around my nigga neck. You know I can't move, that's the mob with me. And you know that's a whole lot of cars with me. And you know that's a whole lot of ammunition. Every time that I move, they gon' move with me. Out on parole, so I'm smooth with it. Try your luck, you gon' get you a cool 50. Can't trust these little bitches, they know that I'm on to come up, and they feel like I owe them something. Everybody been praying on my downfall, like they don't wanna see me up or something.
All this shit in the street.
Huh?
Let's go!
Hey, them niggas know I was destined to make it, so they had to get me out the way like Ricky. Them niggas told on my play, cause I had it made, now they wanna fuck on my bitches. Calling my phone, talking about you need me, whole time they got me sent to the dungeon. This shit so crazy how your own brother across your eye for a little bit of money. But they would come with the game, I'd never change, I'ma thug it out till I'm gone. I was in them trenches surrounded by killers, I just thank God that I made it home. 250 it'll get you a hat, 500 it'll get you a zone, $100 it'll get you a charge, or 350 it'll get you a phone. I'm doing numbers, can't even keep up with it, mama, like you gotta find you a safe. I'm making $20 every hour, that'll be $480 every day. Watch how you say my name in the song, cause no mercy shoot you straight up in the face. You know I got them rap from catching bombs, and I just gave my lawyer life 50K. Fuck what you rapping and fuck how you stepping, cause where I come from ain't no guns, nigga. Play with that money, we play with your mama, your brother, your uncle and son, nigga. I been gone for a minute, they had to release me, I'm back on the block with them steppers you did. Texting my hoe and I'm fucking this bitch and getting a nail did and feeding the kids, so how you gon' hate on me? I'm the king of the city, nigga, ain't no debate on it. And if any nigga got a problem, I'ma pull up and spray on them.
All this shit in the street. Damn.
Huh?